Hey everyone, Chef Anthony from Don's Appliances here. I am in the studio, so excited. I'm with James Hayes, one of our Kinsburg leads, kind of the, one of the amazing guys. No, not lead, but you lead the pack today. You know more about appliances than I do in this room, is what I mean.
So
say hi, tell everybody. Yeah.
So, well, thanks for having me here today, Chef. So, I think today we wanted to talk about some things that we have going on here at Don's.
We're talking about the free stuff. We're talking about ways to save you some money, man. We're cutting the fat today. You know what I mean? It's just like we're putting some money back in your pocket. So, James got the amazing ways to do that. So.
Sure. So, one of the things that we just started this past month, you guys may have seen some advertisements for it. If not, free delivery. So.
That's FREE crew, free delivery, all right? Yeah. Say it loud.
Yeah. So,
all right?
So literally drop-off delivery, anything like that. It doesn't matter if you're looking at a 48-inch fridge or a dishwasher, it's free to get it delivered to your house now. So, just a lot of our competitors have been offering for a long time. Customers have been asking for it. We got it now too.
See, we listen. We're listening to what you guys are. We're listening to what the customer wants. We're really trying to make it, a great experience for everyone involved, for Don's, for the customer, for everybody that's sales staff. We try and make it the best possible scenario. So, that's one way. And amazing. The free delivery is a huge piece, especially rolling out. What else do you think in the world of the savings?
I mean, the summer, man, we've got July 4th coming up, so the huge promo is going to be happening in the next couple of weeks. It's definitely going to be a good time to stop in and shop. Really aggressive rebates happening if you're looking at packages. Even sometimes you might get something on a single piece here or there, but if you're looking at a whole package, it's a good time to do it.
Yeah, that's going to be rolling around very fast. So think about that. You're looking around your kitchen, you're eyeing your fridge, you're looking at that dishwasher making that weird noise. Now's the time to start pre-planning for this, and you could come to any of the showrooms and check it out and really get a look and a grasp and a feel for what you want. You don't have to really wait till the 4th of July. You don't have to walk in. You can come into our showroom at any time and look at the appliances and really kind of, get a map, get a game plan of what's best for you, what's best for your kitchen, what's best for your laundry. You know what I mean? So, give me another way I can save some money here. Give me another way to put some money back in my pocket. How about like if I'm buying multiple pieces of something?
Sure, yeah, package rebates for sure. So it's like, if you're looking at, I know on Samsung right now, they're offering a buy more, save more right now that's already happening. So if you're looking at like, you can save a couple $100s on a few pieces. And, so that's huge. If you're looking at, even like, some entry level packages, a couple $100s can be a huge savings there.
You're right. And, there is a great buy in buying your kitchen appliances in bulk. And there are a ton of benefits too. You know what I mean? So, what are the benefits of buying that all in the same package, in the same brand?
I mean, you have a matching set of appliances. All your stainless steel colors are going to match. You're going to have the same handles. You're starting off fresh with warranties on everything. Like, it's like you have that peace of mind that everything's new all at one time.
See, that's the part I love. The stainless is all going to match. The handles are all going to look right. You get it at the same time. It's no mix and match in pieces. You don't have to worry about one piece not looking like the next, things of that sort. That's great. So, there's all different packages and bundles for every make and manufacturer. The more you buy, the more you save is usually the lingo of that is really how we go. How about a great savings financing? So let's really talk about the financing.
Yeah, so we do offer financing. So if, just like a lot of other competitors out there, a lot of people don't realize it, we have our own store card. So you can come in and we're running 12 months, no interest on anything over $1,000. So it's easy to do on an appliance. Like literally almost anything will qualify for that. So if you're looking to do a bigger purchase instead of dropping $4,000 or $5,000 up front, just split that up over a year.
That's what I say. Instead of getting what you need, get what you want. You can finance it through. You know what I mean? I love that idea.
Yeah.
So now, if you're on the teeter-totter, my dishwasher I know is going to go in 6-8 months. Don't wait to 6-8 months. Go out and get your dishwasher now. Get your fridge now. Line it all up. Throw it on financing.
Yeah, 100%. Like, if you're talking about there's no interest charges on it. You're getting sale prices for July 4th. You're getting rebates. I mean, you would be spending more money to do it later anyway.
We call that stacking the savings. You stack it all up. I love that. So that's a ton of ways. Give me a quick and easy way if you don't want to finance it. If you're picking something up. I mean, tell me the good on that.
Yeah,
you know?
so anything, if we're not, I mean, obviously free delivery is there, but if you're willing to pick up an in-stock piece from our warehouse, which is right off the Crafton exit off of 79, it's close, 10% off.
10%. See, that's
Yes,
nice.
it's so huge. So yeah, you know, if you're looking at $1,000 dishwashers, you save $100 for going and picking it up yourself. So that's great. Also, right now, any type of floor displays we have on available, additional 10% off the already reduced price.
See, that's a steal too. And then that free delivery though, that's local deliveries, right?
That is correct.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm
yeah,
sorry for. I love you guys out in West Virginia. I love you guys out in East Ohio or whatever it is. But you know, the free delivery just
it's going to be local Pittsburgh market.
Is local Pittsburgh market. You know, so I mean, you talked about some out of box items, and we have those scattered throughout some stores in designated spots. There is an outlet.
Oh yeah, 100%. So go see your guys at the outlet. They're out near the Robinson Town Center out there. There's a lot of out of box pieces, sometimes some scratch and dents. You know, there's all kinds of things there, and there's some additional savings that they have going on out there separate from the rest of the company.
I call them diamonds in the rough, man. They are what to find. You know what I mean? You'll never know what hits the outlet. So it's always fun to just go in through there. I call it like the TJ Maxx of Don's Appliances because there's amazing things and amazing grills. You want to be a Maxxinista, you be a Don'sanista right now. I call it. I came up with that right now.
Did you?
No, but I mean, it's the truth. I mean, you could find. I talked to a lady and she was like, "I got the most amazing Bosch dishwasher." I'm like, "Where'd you get?" You know, I'm from Don's. I said, "Which store?" She goes, "I went down to the outlet," and I was like, "That's great." I was like, "How is it?" She's like, "I love it. Everything's clean. Everything's perfect." But you know, and it was the right price. And I'm like, that's what I want to hear. So, I mean, just recap. Give me the savings tools here, okay?
All right. So there was the free delivery.
Nailed it.
We're running financing.
Nailed it.
10% off a pickup.
Winner.
10% off floor displays.
Whew.
And then the outlet potential savings there as well.
Look at you. You know what I mean? So these are a bunch of ways that we can stack some deals. And then, you know, July 4th is coming around, so that sale's coming, and there are already rebates on like appliances right now too. So think about that floor model sale. Think about, you know, combining that with something else.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, like right now, this time of year, honestly, is probably the best time to look at appliances. So it's going to be one of the most aggressive sales of the year. You're stacking up the savings, and then like we had already touched on, finance it for a year and save yourself some money there too.
Like I always say, look around your kitchen right now. If something's not running up to par, now's the time to, you know, come to, you know, all of our stores. You can go online and get the same great deals too. So, you know, you can talk to our chat experts. You can go online, or you could come into Canonsburg and say, "Hey, where's this James Hayes guy? I like his radio voice. You know, can he take care of me? You know what I mean?"
Yeah, I'm sure I can. I'm down in Canonsburg 5 days a week. You can't miss me. So stop in. I'll be more than happy to show you around.
He is a rather tall individual.
Yeah.
How tall are you right now?
6'5".
6'5".
Yeah. 6'5", goofy looking tattoos. Yeah, you can't miss me at all.
You're right. This guy stands out of the crowd. James, thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day and you know, talking savings, talking finance, talking amazing Don stuff with us. Guys, go to donsappliances.com for all your Don's needs, and we'll see you guys next time. All right, thanks. That's it.